our 8 liters hot water boiler and dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length from left to right handle, we have at least 11 3/4 inches. Overall height, 16 inches. Located to your left is your temperature adjuster, and center with the water level indicator. Coming to your right, on-off switch, and the heat and keep warm indicating lights. The twist of the urn on the top, dimensions will be 8 3/4 inches in length by 11.5 inches in height. Coming in the back to the ETL certification, along with your standard 110-120 voltage connection plug. For more information on this product, visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.